Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make bagel seasoning. Toast the sesame seeds, poppy seeds, dried minced garlic, dried minced onion, and coarse salt in a dry skillet until fragrant. Cool completely before mixing to preserve crunch. Adjust proportions to taste and divide into jars for gifts or weekly use. Store in a cool, dry place and use within a few months for best flavor and texture. Start by heating a dry skillet on medium and toast the sesame and poppy seeds just until aromatic. Let them cool fully on a plate to avoid steam and clumping. Combine the cooled seeds with dried minced onion, dried minced garlic, and coarse salt in a bowl. Mix gently to distribute evenly, then taste and tweak the balance of salt or garlic. Pack into a small jar for easy shaking on bagels. Keep your bagel seasoning in a small airtight jar and store it in a cool, dark pantry away from heat and humidity. This seasoning is great on more than bagels. Try it on avocado toast, scrambled eggs, roasted veggies, or mixed into dips. Label the jar with the date made and aim to use it within 3 to 6 months for peak flavor. Shake before using to redistribute any settled bits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.